Welcome to Luca is a billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
You start by powering cycle your modem and router. This clears transient glitches. Once done, make sure your Xbox Series X is connected to the correct Wi-Fi band, 5 GHz if you want lower latency. 2. 4 GHz if coverage is better. Next, check your Xbox network settings and note NAT type and whether it uses DHCP or a static IP, because that determines whether you change settings on the console or the router. Run the Xbox network connection test and read the exact failure. This tells you which layer fails. Then assign a static IP on the console or reserve the MAC in your router to prevent address changes. Once you have a stable IP, enable UPnP on the router so games negotiate ports automatically. If UPnP fails, manually forward common Xbox ports such as 88 and 3074 to the static IP. These steps remove NAT and routing bottlenecks. After applying changes, reboot both router and console, then rerun the network test to confirm an open NAT and stable connection. This completes the fix in most cases. If NAT remains strict, you can place the Xbox IP in the router DMZ as a last resort. Be aware DMZ relaxes firewall protections. If problems persist, test using a phone hotspot to isolate your ISP or modem. If hotspot works, contact your provider with the failure details you recorded.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.